Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel English World Easy. So guys, this is my day 38 video of 75 days hard challenge of spoken English. I hope all of you are doing well and I am also good. My name is Nikita and today I am going to share to all of you some important 10 common mistakes you always do in your spoken English. Okay, we are always do this mistake in our speaking time. So guys, without any delay, let's start. So start. Buttons kholo. Open the buttons. Don't use this sentence because this is wrong. Undo your buttons. कोई शोर मत करो. Don't make any noise. मैं तुम्हें सुन नहीं पा रहा हूँ. I can't listen to you. This is wrong sentence. I can't hear you. मैं बस से आया. I came from bus. This is wrong sentence. I came by bus. Okay? जब हम किसी कार, बस, किसी से भी ट्रैवल करते हैं तो हम बाय का यूज़ करते हैं. दोपहर के भोजन में क्या है? What is in lunch? Wrong. What is for lunch? मैंने अजीब सा सपना देखा. I had a strange dream. Don't use see. Okay? क्योंकि हम बंद आंखें से सपना देखते हैं. दूध फट गया. Milk has gone off. वह बहुत लंबी है. She is very tall. मेरे बाल लंबे हैं. My hair is long. वह अक्सर गलती कर बैठता है. He often makes mistakes. So guys, this is 10 most common mistakes in our spoken English. I also do this mistake. This is helpful video to all of us because 10 most common mistakes in our spoken English. So I also do this mistake. So in my experience, in 10 most common sentence to help your improvement English, spoken English. So guys, that's all and meet to another video. Thank you.